The battle occurred in Turkey's southeastern province of Hakkari. 6 soldiers were killed in clashes while 2 others died when their helicopter crashed. 6 PKK terrorists were killed. And Sirnak province is another flashpoint in Turkey's security challenge. The Turkish military says they have killed 15 terrorists there in an overnight operation.
Well, as you mentioned, there's been a spate of attacks across southeast Turkey. As you mentioned, in Hakkari province, 8 soldiers killed. Now, 6 of them were killed in clashes with the PKK, according to Turkish military sources, and then 2 helicopter pilots killed. A military helicopter was deployed shortly after those attacks and crashed, killing 2 of the pilots. Now, in neighboring Sirnak province, the Turkish military says it's killed 15 members of the PKK there. And then just last night, a car bomb attack in Diyarbakir killed 4 people, 22 injured. 2 of them are in critical condition. Now, the public prosecutor's office says that they're going to launch an investigation into this blast. However, the PKK is known for such attacks. A number of such attacks have been carried out since July of last year, when a 2-year ceasefire broke down with the government. Turkey is really seeing its worst violence with the PKK since the height of the 30-year conflict in the 1990s.
Now, 8 Turkish soldiers have been killed amid an escalation of violence in the country's southeast. The Turkish military say 6 troops lost their lives during clashes with the militants of the Kurdistan Workers' Party, the PKK, in Hakkari province. Following the fighting, a helicopter was sent to the area, but it went down, killing both pilots. The military also says 15 Kurdish militants were killed in the fighting. Turkey has been at war with the PKK militants for decades. The conflict has claimed tens of thousands of lives on both sides.
بركات اش هاف هشت نه ده 11 12 13 14 15 كات قبرة كات قبرة كات ساعت خوش ساعت خوش ساعت خوش